Hi, everybody. Look what came in the mail. Looky what came, this beautiful package, this beautiful purple box. It says English on the back. I open it and inside are 2 beach chairs for my cell phone and my husband's cell phone when we're in Cancun. How cute. Can you even get any cuter? That is so adorable. Hi, Shani. How are you? Plus, I earned a charm. We like to give charms out. Younique does. So a lot of people like to say, collect them. I got 2 of these cute little puppies. Let's see if I have a. It's gonna be hard to show you, but. And then of course my phones are like the hugest phones, but they're supposed to rest there. See, because we build our business using our phones. That's exactly what you said. What did I say? I forgot what you said. Is that not cute? And I can adjust it. So I got that. But I want you to know it's because of you guys, my customers. It says, congratulations. I didn't just win this trip. I earned this trip, okay? I worked hard, and it's all because of you guys. It says, qualifying for the Younique incentive trip is a major accomplishment. And then, oh, how cute. Yes. And it's my little beach chair. It's my, oh my gosh, it even fits if you have a fatter behind. I love it. We get the cutest little stuff. That was a lot of work though. And then my husband gets one too. How cute. Or whoever goes with me, but it's gonna be my husband. How cute is that, you guys? Oh, I couldn't do it without you, though. I couldn't do it without you. Let's talk about the Epic subscription. I have a little thing going on in my beauty group right now. For the first 5, 3 have done it. 3 have subscribed, so you might want to check on that. It's a post that says something about win me. Kayla, look at this. I love it. I know I am easily amused. I love that it even is flexible. Like, if you're a little heavier. I love it. Hi, Molly. Did you see? I love it. It's my little beach chair. We got 2 of them for our hard work. They hold your cell phone, you guys. So we can be sitting there, you know, because it's an inclusive trip. So we can be sipping on a little, like, lemonade or, I don't know. What do you drink down there that's not alcoholic? I don't know what I'll be drinking. A Diet Coke, maybe. Sit that little puppy down. Put your phone there and just catch the rays. So it's a cell phone holder that we get. I love it. I just am so tickled. Like, that is so much fun. Just a little extra something to congratulate us for earning that trip. You guys, we have our tickets. We have our tickets for flying, but we're still kind of waiting on a passport, one of them. That dog is so loud. My husband's birth certificate wasn't good enough, so he had to reapply for one. So now we got that in. Now we're trying to get his. It makes me nervous. All right, I'm going to do an epic for you. I've already done all my makeup. As a matter of fact, if you want to see a hilarious video, go to my beauty page from this morning, and you will see an actual airline winged eyeliner. I look like a flippin' airline, like an airline, like Southwest Airline. My wing was so messed up, I looked like an airplane. It had a big old wing like this and went across. So if you want to see a funny video, go to my beauty page this morning. Then I redid it all. At Virgin anything. Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you, Holly. So if I say virgin, that means no alcohol, right? Isn't it cute? Oh, you guys. I just love the extra little things. And then it comes in this pretty box. And then a a thank you card for my hard work, and we hope to see you there, which I'm going. Huh? Hi, Marissa. Okay, so Epic now is available in brown, still in black, and it's available in brown and waterproof, girls. Plus the Prestige subscription is just that. It's so prestige. You get free shipping when you subscribe to getting an Epic. If you yell at her, that doesn't work. She just is loud. Like, she likes to look out the window, and if anyone goes by, a dog, a duck, a cat, a bunny, a car, a truck, it doesn't matter. She's so loud. So we generally close, my front window is my bedroom. So we generally close that door, and I keep forgetting. I have a midnight worker sleeping, and she is so loud. But Daniel told me, Mom, the dog doesn't bother me as much as you yelling at her, so I just don't yell at her anymore. Oh, hello. She's so loud. You go, girl. Yes. Okay, look at this Epic, you guys. And then I ordered my waterproof because I can't wait to see how that works. They say it's really awesome. And then I also ordered brown so I could help compare and show my girls that are really light. I have pretty light lashes too, so I could probably totally get by with brown. I've just never worn it. This isn't even really one coat yet, girls. So let's talk a little quick again about the prescription. It's not a prescription. It is a subscription. It's free. It's a click of a button free. It's so easy to join and unjoin. It's not even funny. Plus you can even like change it up. So here's how it works. You pay $24, put in your information, you choose the Epic, whatever one you want, the Epic Black, the Epic Brown, or the Epic Black Waterproof. And then it'll say, do you want to have this a subscription? And you can choose every 30 days, every 45, every 60, and every 90, okay? So those 4 options. So say you did every 3 months. I probably would do, like, I can do it too, and I would do 60 probably, or 45, because I put it on a lot. Okay, so, but before, you can go in and change it. Say like you get your Epic, and it's free shipping. It comes directly from corporate. You get not an exclusive, but a really nice packaged sample of a product in every order, and every time they send it to you. And you get free shipping every time, okay? So, and this first time you order, like if you were to go subscribe right now, anything you order with it would come as free shipping. So that's kind of cool. My girl, it's because I ran out of serum and then I got some. So I think the serum is kicking in again, the lash serum. So, just a side note, I kept feeling the serum be wet, like it was wet. So I thought it was still some in there, but yeah, it must have been like not enough to do the trick. So I think I've extended my lash cycle again because I've been doing the serum every day. A serum that's working. Isn't it amazing though? I'm so excited because they're like kind of growing again. So, does anyone have any questions? Hi, Ashley. Ashley, did you get this? I think they're so adorable. And look at this is my favorite part. You got a bigger booty. Like if your phone's a little heavier, it just goes in. You just can't get any better than that. All right. Now this is just the Epic One Step Black. It's not waterproof or anything. I'm getting that in the mail. But yeah, isn't this crazy? I can't get over it. I've been using my lash serum again, and that just helps make my lash cycle last. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't necessarily grow my lashes. It scientifically proven to make your lash cycle last longer, okay? So we all lose lashes and hairs on a daily basis. And there's a cycle, and I'm not the geek, the scientific, I'm a geek, but just like nerd, like a dork. but I don't know all the terms, but it's scientifically proven to extend the lash cycle, and so that's why it appears like they are. Yes, the beach chair, the foam beach chairs, they're just so great. I love them. And so the serum has really helped with me again. I'm getting my new license because we have to get one for our new address, and because of the passport thing, and it's due by next year anyway. I think Indiana's changing. We have to get something by 2019 anyway. I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna make sure my eyes look really pretty in my driver's license. Like, who cares, right? Hi, Mandy. Mandy, have you tried the Epic? I can't remember. I think you were an Epic girl. You tried it. Hi, Crystal. Did you see my beach chairs? I'll show them again because I have people popping on. But, Kayla, are you so shocked? Because, like, I can't believe my lashes. They're so long and beautiful. Did you know long lashes are associated with youth? That's why when you see like girls going off to college and you're like, whoa, look at those lashes. It's not because they're really wearing that great of a mascara. It's because you lose more hair when you get older. Here's my little chairs. I got 2 of them. They're adjustable and they hold phones, your cell phone. You have you heard about the new waterproof and the new brown and the subscription you can do? So here it is. Look at here. And it's adjustable. Now this isn't the phone I'll be taking, and this thing is a little slippery, my phone case. And of course I'm trying to balance it on my hands. But yeah, they can sit up if they want to have a drink. Or you can relax all the way down and get a suntan. The little things they do for you, I just love it. Exactly, right? I'm like, we are a walking billboard. Exactly. And girl, I have not really, was it really hot or was it tears? Because I get it. And girl, Kayla, when you don't have to do your license for 6, 7, 8 years, you want it to, I don't know. Of course, my son, when he got his, he was full of this really shaggy beard where he didn't shave for a whole year. And I'm like, dude, he goes, it's just a license picture. And I'm like, oh. I like that. I don't think I'm gonna put any on the bottom though. Oh, I can't wait to try the waterproof because I sweat easily. I'm not even in California or the desert. You guys, pray for me in Cancun. I'm gonna have to be in the pool all the time. Because I am gonna be so hot. How hot do you think it is in October in Cancun? Tears. Oh, babe, I'm sorry. We all have them. We all have them. Hugs to you. Hugs to you. Is it gonna be hot? Shoot. Well, I'm planning my wardrobe. I'm trying to be light and no layers. And hey, Ashley, do you know, like, I saw a schedule. Do we have to do all those things together, like whatever that party or something is? Like, I really want to make a vacation of this too. Like, I don't, like, this is something my husband and I would just never ever do. Felicia, look at this. Here's my little beach chair for my cell phone. I got a little charm because I earned Cancun. Oh, I better get that before the dog does. And I got 2 of them, one for my husband. So, I'm trying to play my outfits. I think I got them all. I still need to get like a swim tank for my husband. He doesn't do shirtless. Oh, me too, Kayla. I'm like, no. I know some of my friends, Lauren and all them, are so excited that it's in Orlando, and that's fine. I get it. But why do we have to be in the South in the middle of July or at the end of July, whatever it is, August? I'm gonna be like going from building to building. It's going to be fun. No, you can do whatever you want. Awesome. Okay. I have to meet all you people though. I have to meet all of you. Like my husband's gonna, and I'm that type of person anyway. What am I? Perky, and I don't mind talking to people. Easy for me. And my husband just comes along. It's your mama. Hi, Joy. I hope you had a nice birthday the other day. So that's it, ladies. The Epic Mascara. You can get it now in subscription. Why can't I say that? It's not a prescription. And just wanted to show you my little beach chairs. And I'm gonna go get my new license with my new address on. And I wanted my eyelashes just to like take the whole picture. They'll probably make me move my earrings or something, right? You're not supposed to. I think they made me undo my hair for my passport. I'm like, what? But Kayla, yeah, sister, I don't like that it's in the South, but I'm going. I'm just gonna have to suffer. I'll sweat everywhere. Oh. I'll be with you then. All right, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. Thanks for popping on. I had the most wonderful last 15 minutes, whatever it's been. Thanks for popping in and saying hi, okay? If y'all need anything, let me know. And go get yourself some waterproof Epic. Or brown. We have brown now too. All right, bye girls.